Go on, God. Show me what you got. Holy shit. I think I pissed him. I can see him. There's his nose, and I see his eyes, and his mustache. God must have a giant white beard. Oh, he's pissed off at me. God damn it. Uh-oh. Sorry. He doesn't like it when I say that. Oh! Damn! That nearly struck that tree. I could be next. Okay, God. Sorry. Jesus Christ. Oops. I really shouldn't be standing out here doing this. I really should not. Listen, the conditions are absolutely perfect right now for a tornado, it says.